Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you change video quality on YouTube app. So let's get started. First unlock your phone, open the YouTube app and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that, find any video if you want to play. For example, I am play this music, simply play it. After the music is played, right now this video quality is very low. Don't worry, you can easily change them. Simply find the settings icon at the top right corner, click on it. Here you can see quality option, tap on it. Then you can see various option, but this time select advanced. After the pop-up menu, you can see various quality option appear such as 144p, 240p, 360p, 480p, 720p or 1800p. If you want to decide to this quality is very high, this time you can select at the very top. For example, you can select 1080p and this time it works. That is how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.